What happens to your body after 24, 48, and 72 hours of fasting? Well, in 24 hours, glycogen stores deplete, insulin drops, and the body shifts into fat-burning mode. Hunger hormones spike and then stabilize. At 48 hours, autophagy ramps up. Your cells begin recycling damaged parts, reducing inflammation, and energy sharpens. At 72 hours, stem cell production surges, immunity resets, and mitochondria regenerates. Your spiritual clarity becomes much more accessible. EMF notes: without digestive noise, your body becomes more sensitive to EMF interference or electromagnetic peace. Support yourself optimally by daily grounding, blue light blockers, and EMF shielding intensify your repair window.
Perfect Purpose Humanity Hospital, where integrity builds trust, unity heals division, compassion drives care, and longevity is the imprint of our purpose.
Perfect Purpose Humanity Hospital, Inc., CH0201. A copy of the official registration and financial information may be obtained from the Division of Consumer Services by calling toll-free 800-435-7352.